Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. No matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like from it. Now for a chance to win, make sure to watch the 3 steps coming up during this video. Anyways, again, you guys can sign up for whatever you would like, which does include the battle pass. So let's just get started. And what he chose from the item shop was, but it's right here. And it's the whole bundle. So we're gonna select gift. We're gonna go on and select his name. We're gonna just purchase and send it on his way. And there we go. Now, how do I know that he got this gift? Well, pretty easy. I can just go here. I can see that he owns this, so I cannot send it over again. Alright, so we see Bone, he just came back and he has his bundle. So congrats for winning. Now if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.